Today we're going to be welding a crack. Cast aluminum.
Build that grinder to get to the back here. Then I use this big grinder. Clean. Everything is clean, new. Can't use mild steel. I can't use brushes that you've used on mild steel.
Alright guys, so I'm using a portable welder.
All dirty, very dirty. I used new brushes, new wheels, new everything. And this cleaner, I want to show you.
It's working very well. I don't know if I should. Yeah. You're welcome, AutoZone.
Clean the rod. The rod, you know, that sometimes you just lay them around, they get a little bit dirty. Clean them with a polishing cloth. Just got done welding. I did this. It used to look like this. Somebody used a bolt that was too big. There's the other weld. Now you clean that one. Alright, another job well done. So, let's talk about some things I did not mention. That,
cleaner, it's flammable. So you want to let it sit for 5-10 minutes. It evaporates very quickly. Did 220, including tax. I do give invoices that make me look very good. And
when I talk to my client, when I answer the phone, I sound like I know what I'm talking about. I think about what I'm going to say. Let's compete. Well, good luck on your project, and if you have any questions, shoot me a message.